Hello, and what a great day to sew something wonderful. I'm Kia with Kia Beat, and I'm so excited to be back with you today. We have a Quilty Box unboxing, and I'm really pumped about it. So we have been getting Quilty Box for quite some time now, and the boxes are looking so different. So they are, it does say on this that we are committed to cutting our carbon footprint. Watch out for our new locally sourced eco-friendly Quilty Box, overflowing with fabric notions and inspiration. And so they are working out some kinks in the shipping system as they are trying to look for like the most eco-friendly, which I do very much appreciate that. So let's get this opened up. Yeah, so it always comes in tissue paper, and then it comes with our book and everything inside of it. Okay, so bundles of inspiration. Now this is the magazine that comes with each box. This gives your patterns inside of it. This gives a little biography about the designer that they chose for this box. Gives a little bit of information about the team and all of that. So this is really, really interesting. Yeah, so this week is brought the collection from Sarah Elizabeth Sharp of No Hats Quilts. So I don't really like to go through all of this because it has things to like, it gives you all the things that are in it. So I want to kind of wait and put that aside, but I'm by myself today. So Tech Eye isn't in here with me to take these. So the next thing, it looks like it's a template for foundation paper piecing. So we've got that and we'll set that aside, which is great. Then, sorry, that's very crinkly. Okay, let's go through this really quickly. Let's see, we've got Me and You, Untamed by Sarah Sharp, fat eighths. There are 16 fat eighths from Hoffman Fabrics. Look at those colors. I guess I can hold them over here so you can see them better. Look at those. That's definitely like a very dark like navy color. This is great. These are very, very bright. And then that is the tag there. Look at those colors. Oh my, I'm so glad that we're sitting so up close and I can show you these, like actually see them. So this is great. Okay, and then we always, so in every single box, you're going to get patterns, fabric, notions, and thread. And so, and then there may be a few extra things depending kind of on the box. So we've got our patterns out of our book, which is right here. And then we've got our thread here. And then we have got, nope, that's not our thread. This is our fabric and this is our thread. My goodness. Okay, so this is our thread for today. This is a Wonder Fill. There's a 50 weight. I'm looking for the number. TU20. It's more of like a variegated purple, but it's gonna go with this. Like, I mean, look at that. It's gonna go with that beautifully. That is great. That's really, really pretty. So that's fun. Okay, so we've got that. Then we have some templates. So let's open these up for you so you can really see those. Oh, these acrylic templates are so nice to have in your stash. So we've got these, and it's got a couple in there that you can pop out. And then No Hats in the House. So this is going to be, these are actually taped together there. But I think this is really going to help in paper piecing as well. So this is the Jolt. There are different pieces for the Jolt pattern. So I would assume that those patterns are in the book, but we'll take a look in here in just a moment. Got those. And then our notion this time is a stick handle 28mm light duty Fiskars rotary cutter. So I actually don't have a 28mm anymore. I used it for paper, and so it has gone over to my scrapbooking stuff. So this fabric is so pretty. I just love how vibrant that is. That's really, really pretty. Okay, so let's take a look at everything. So let's see. Yeah, so the inside of this is a message from Jake, and it just talks a little bit about paper pieces and that thing there. Okay, so we got the Untamed fabric bundle from Sarah Elizabeth Sharp, and it was $35, which is great because it has 16 fat eighths in it, which is a lot of fabric. Then we have the 6-piece Jolt acrylic set, and that is valued at $28. You can find that at quiltybox.com. I know that they have that available there. Then we have the Fiskars Rotary Cutter, and that is valued at $10.99. Then we have the Aurifil thread, and that is valued at $4.99. And then this book here is valued at $10, and it is because you get several patterns and things to do that. So here is Sarah Elizabeth Sharp. That's such a fun picture. And then it's got some question and answer kind of interview style with her. Okay, look at this pattern that they've given us. That's really fun and inspiring. It does take 16 fat eighths, and so it sounds like you've got all the fabric for the piecing. You just need some background binding and backing, which is pretty typical. And you do use, let's see, you use a combination of this and the acrylic set, which is super great. Fun. I'm just looking through this really quickly here. Oh wow, okay. This is pretty. 4-ring wall hanging, which is a different pattern that you get in here. So Quilty Box actually offers several different boxes, and the great thing about this Bundles of Inspiration is you get all the patterns for all the boxes that they ship. And so you get extra things in here, which is phenomenal. Like, that's so great. So like, here's another one. Oh, this has like little cards and stuff all over it. That's adorable. Cute. And then piecing instructions for that. And then here is yet another pattern. So what is that? Did somebody count? Is that like 4 patterns? That's awesome. So really, really cool. Okay. And then they also do a subscriber spotlight. So this month, that is Alicia Lewis, which is such a sweet picture of her. And then Elizabeth Hartman is the sneak peek. That excites me so much, you guys. That's awesome. Oh, I'm so excited about that. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about, I gave you all of the details about the Bundles of Inspiration and why that costs $10. Let's talk about month-to-month subscription and then multi-month subscription. So month-to-month subscription for the Quilty Box is $48, and then you always get free shipping. So then you've got a 3-month prepaid plan, a 6-month, and a 12-month. Now the multi-month subscription, like the 3, the 6, and the 12, they also donate a portion of that to Quilt for Kids, which is great. So when you do those, it actually lessens. So 3-month subscription is $46 per month, $45, and $44 for the 12-month, which is great. And like I said, you always get free shipping. So that's awesome. And you know it's coming from a company who cares about the way that they are shipping things, and they are making an effort to be more eco-friendly, which is awesome. So let me know down below what your favorite part of this box was. I love this fabric. I actually can't wait to get that cut up. So thank you so much for joining us on the Hive today, and y'all have a great afternoon.